Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt with your audio and video forecast for the occurring severe weather in the Midwest, Great Lakes, Ohio Valley, and the South. This is Matt with Storm Central. First, I'd like to start out with the National Weather Service radar. And storms have definitely been popping. They've been popping along a cold front, stretching from Illinois down to Texas. Now this is showing the storms popping, and there's numerous severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings with these cells. And here's another look at it. It is showing storms also popping in Illinois, stretching along the cold front. Now up north over here, this is all snow. Over here coming over in central and northern Wisconsin, stretching over to northern Michigan. Now this is the severe weather storm potential from the Storm Prediction Center outlook for today. It's showing a moderate risk for severe storms in southern Illinois, southern and central Indiana, including Indianapolis, northwest and northern Kentucky, northwestern Tennessee, just about the whole state of Arkansas except for the southern parts of Arkansas, and about the southern and eastern tips and southern and eastern part of Missouri. Now, the moderate risk is also out for Springfield, Illinois. Now, the slight risk includes just about almost all of Illinois, also except for the parts of Galena and over by Dubuque. They are not included, but the city of Chicago is included in the slight risk. Northern Indiana is in a slight risk. Cleveland, Ohio is in a slight risk for storms also. Just about the whole state of Ohio is in a slight risk. As you can see by the map, Texas is in a slight risk, and so is the northern tip of Louisiana and the northern tip of Mississippi, also Alabama. Now let's go to the current watches and warnings. Warnings are not viewed, actually, I'm sorry, because this is a multi-video briefing, and we don't want to do this for warnings because it wouldn't be current. But yes, this is the current tornado warnings, tornado watches, and severe thunderstorm watches. There are not any severe thunderstorm watches, but there are tornado watches, including the cities of Springfield. And here's a better graphic coming up over here. Well, then let's find it. There it is. Here's a better graphic of the tornado side, and they're showing storms out to the east of Springfield in a line stretching from about Rockford, Illinois, west of Rockford, all the way down to Texas, just west of Moline, stretching just about west of Peoria, and then all the way down to Texas, just west of Joplin, Missouri, and continuing down, farther down. Now if we go back to our other graphic here, this is showing the other tornado watch box. This is also including portions of this, and this is showing that's the other watch box. Go to the river, and then show also storms popping in that area. We're gonna go back to there. Here's one model's take on the system for severe weather. Let me zoom in here. It is showing the best severe weather will be in Texas, Arkansas, Missouri, and southern Illinois. We do believe that will be north more to include Indianapolis, because that's where the Storm Prediction Center has put the moderate risk for severe storms. But this is where the best moisture is. Now for the humidity picture, that would be here. It is showing Gulf moisture streaming northward, and that's what you need for storms. Perfect ingredients are in place for severe storms today. This is where the best rainfall will fall, and this is the orange and yellows are 2 to 3 inches. The greens is above 1 inch plus. 1 inch plus is for Chicago and points south. We'll get about 2 inches. There's a orange and yellow stripe for about Springfield, Illinois, all the way through central and southern Indiana and Ohio, and just about all of Iowa will be in the 1 to 2 inch rains also. Alright, let's go to our picture here. This is what we believe will happen. As suspected, as we basically called this yesterday. 2 to 3 inch rains for Chicago. Milwaukee area. Detroit will be seeing possibly some severe storms. I'm seeing spotty severe storms, including large hail and some strong winds for Chicago and Detroit area. But I don't think the severe storms will reach Milwaukee and points in Wisconsin. They will see most showers and thunderstorms out of this. Oklahoma City, they're included in the moderateness now, or just to the east actually, in Tulsa. Best tornado risk has shipped westward to include St. Louis, and I believe that will include Indianapolis. For Wednesday, I believe the whole East Coast will be under it, aside from New York, which we believe will be out of it, and Pittsburgh will be slight risk for tomorrow, but that will have more information tonight at 9 o'clock tonight. So please join us tonight at 9 o'clock for another weather video and audio briefing on the severe storms coming into tonight with the latest damage reports and the latest on tomorrow's slight risk for severe storms. Thank you very much for joining me. This is Matt with the audio and weather briefing for April 19th. Everyone have a safe and protective night tonight. Thank you. Bye. More on at 10.